Hello, magandang araw po sa inyong lahat. Welcome po sa isa na namang exciting na episode ng Tuesday Arabi, your Tuesday habit of learning, growing, and choosing success the Atomy way. So ito po ang Marinduque Global Center and I will be your host. I am Diamond Master Raline Pilapil Minorca ng Army America, but I am the Center Education Officer of the Marinduque Global Center. I am a nurse by profession and isa kong proud CEO, Center Education Officer ng Marinduque. So every Tuesday po, I'm here to help you understand how to create passive income that can last up to the third generation through our amazing system. Yung system na ginawa ng ating Chairman Hangel Park. So, meet our Chairman Hangel Park. Yan. Yan siya. First time ko siyang na-meet noong November 1, 2022 sa New Jersey, USA. So, let me ask you, what if your efforts today, using our products, sharing with others, or helping somebody, helping your team, could reward you not just now, but over and over again for years to come? Diba? Sino may gusto ng ganong income? Okay? I-type nyo sa chat if you want that kind of income. Just type me. Because that's exactly what's possible through the Atomy's binary system. But bago tayo magpatuloy sa ating discussion, before we go deeper into that discussion, let's remind ourselves why we're doing this Atomy. Every successful Atomy journey begins not with money, but with the mindset. And the best way to align our mindset is through our company motto. So, please join me. So, wherever you are, even at home, in your car, at the center, let's say it together. Let's say this company motto together with pride and conviction. This motto is not just words, it's a daily reminder of how we do the business the righteous way. So, are you ready? Okay, parang hindi pa. Oh, isa pa ulit. Company motto, are you ready? Yes. Go. Cherish the spirit, create the vision, follow the faith, serve in humility. Aja, aja, aja. Yan. Okay. Thank you for joining me. And tonight's topic, yung binary system ng Atomy, perfectly reflects this motto in action. Okay. So, panoorin muna natin. Well, mamaya na lang, okay? Let me just introduce to you the Atomy. Atomy actually is making network marketing history. Sabi ko kanina, ito yung best way, yung company motto. Because when we cherish the spirit, we stay patient, right? When we follow the faith, we trust the system. And when we serve in humility, both our left and right legs grow strong together, yung ating binary system. So let's dive in and understand kung ano nga ba itong Atomy binary system na isa sa very powerful feature na meron si Atomy. Laging sinasabi ni Chairman, and he always reminds us that Atomy is built on righteousness and fairness. Very balanced yung ating compensation plan kasi kung maintindihan nyo lang talaga na yung ating binary system ay napakaganda at ito yung proof na lahat tayo ay magiging successful. Dahil lahat tayo, we started equal, everyone has equal opportunity, and everyone has the same opportunity. So, ang features and strength ng Atomy Business, unang-una yung binary two legs. So, let's break it down simply. Binary means two groups, yung kaliwa at yung kanan. You build both sides by connecting people who use and love Atomy products. Yung personal point value mo, kasi bumibili ka ng produkto, naiipon yon. At yung lahat ng pinag-sharean mo, na kaibigan mo, kakilala mo, kaopisina mo, stranger, o yung team mo sa kanan at sa kaliwa, if you work together, that would determine your commission. Okay? Madali lang mag-register kasi libre. Pero yung iba, ini-ignore kasi libre. Pero ang napakaganda kay Atomy, if you see it as a business, wala talaga siyang maintenance fee, walang quota. You just really have to understand paano ba talaga nag-work yung binary system at bakit ito very powerful. Una, we have unlimited accumulation. So ano yung nag-accumulate? Yung point value. Remember, lahat ng products sa Atomy has points. Yun yung tinatawag na PV, point value. So, even if you're busy working your day job, like for myself, yung 12-hour nursing job ko, all your efforts are still counted, even if you're just using the product. Okay? Kailangan may konting effort naman. That's true fairness and sustainability dito sa Atomy. Kaya nakakagulat kasi kapag ka nag-share ka kahit isa, dalawa lang, minsan magugulat ka na lang, ang daming points. So, sa mga previously member at hindi nyo alam kung gaano ka, ka-powerful yung unlimited accumulation ng points, mag-login sa account nyo today. Tingnan, ilan na ba talaga yung points ko? Okay? Ilan kaya ang sumampang points sa kaliwa? Ilan kaya ang sumampang points sa kanan? So, the company is very generous. Namimigay ng point value kasi lahat ng products may point value. And if you don't know, we actually get more than what we deserve just being part of this company. Okay. Pang-apat na features and strengths of Atomy Business is yung tinatawag na infinite level, unlimited accumulation of downlines. So, kahit dalawa o 200 o 20,000 or 1,000,000 man yung tao mo sa ilalim mo, you still benefit. Hindi kagaya ng ibang business or hindi kagaya ng ibang MLM na tumitigil up to the third level, tumitigil up to the seventh level. Sa atin, walang tigil. Okay? Kahit hindi mo nakilala, after 5 years, you will get a member na hindi mo man gustong gawin ang business, you will be inspired to do it as a business kasi ang sipag-sipag niya. So, another benefit ng binary is we work together. We work as a team. Teamwork over competition. Kasi yung success ng downlines mo o ng mga partners mo sa ilalim will be your own success. So, when your partners grow, you grow. And then when your partners earn, you earn as well. Kaya dapat matutunan si binary. And this is a long-term legacy. Adam's binary system is built not as fast money, hindi mabilis ang pera. Pero kapag trabahuhin mo siya at i-build mo yung iyong system, let's say, give yourself 3 years o 4 years, parang nag-aral ng kolehiyo. 3 to 5 years, build your binary system. And the rewards ng lahat ng very patient, consistently ginagawa, at righteously nag-share sa iba, you will reap the rewards in the future. You have that opportunity of getting the income ceiling. Okay? May opportunity for passive income. And the other thing is global. O, diba? So, if you would like to consider Atomy as a business, you can look forward to expanding your branch all the way to other countries. Hindi mo na kailangang mag-abroad at umalis sa Pilipinas. Okay. Kaya sinisipagan ko talaga kasi alam ko malapit na makaka-retire ako. Hindi ko na kailangan maghintay ng up to 65 or 67 years old para mag-retire ng maaga. Kasi knowing na may income ceiling sa Atomy, Ibibuild ko lang yung binary ko. Kahit nauna pa sila, we will all see each other at the top kasi yung left ko at saka yung right ko, kapag nag-accumulate na siya ng 50 million to 50 million, max out na ang commission. Diba? Magkano yun? 60,000 on a daily basis. 60,000 pesos on a daily basis. Depende po sa palitan ng Korean won. Okay? So, yung mga Imperial Masters at this time, yung mga nauna, yung nag-join sa Atomy since 2009, I met an Imperial Master. Nag-accumulate na sila ng 500 million is to 200 million. Kahit ganun karami pa yung points nila, may ceiling. You still get $1,200 on a daily basis. O, di ba? Kaya sabi magkikita pa rin tayo sa taas. So, anong gagawin mo para makabuild ng binary system? Okay? You have to follow the 8 steps to success. And step 3 is maglista. Maglista ng kakilala, hindi kakilala, ng mga nakikita, sinong pagsisharean, yan. Mahalaga na mag-create ng name list. Hindi yung mga interesado lang sa business, hindi lang yung pakiramdam mo gagawin ang business kasi Atomy is different. It is unique. It is based on your own consumption as well. Okay? So follow the law of own mind. Ibig sabihin, ang iyong trabaho is actually to tell them about Atomy. Their decision to join, to be a consumer or distributor, nasa sa kanila yon. Okay? And if you want to achieve something challenging in your life, make them happen in an intensive manner. Okay? So let's say kaka-member mo pa lang this time. And narinig mo yung lecture ko today na totoo kaya na pwedeng kumita ng 100,000 pesos per month sa Atomy? Or pwede ba talagang kumita ng $100,000 sa Atomy? Well, just follow these little steps. And every week, bibigyan ko kayo ng tips. Okay? So, wag mag-judge, wag i-prejudge kung sinong i-join. Just after you use the products at may nagustuhan ka, you share your experience and you share it to them. Give value to them. Bakit? Lahat ng tao nagtutoothbrush. Lahat ng tao naglalaba. Or hindi man naglalaba, kailangan labhan ng damit. Yung iba nagkakape, yung iba nagtsatsaa. Siyempre, dapat naliligo. Ano bang ino-offer ni Atomy? Daily essentials. So, if you can find something na pwede mong i-share sa kanila, let's say, nanlalagas ang buhok, kailangan ng shampoo natin, diba? Or mahina ang immune system, kailangan nila ng himuhim. Kailangan nilang panghugas ng plato, kailangan nila ng antimicrobial na sponge, things like that. So, sinong pagsisharean mo? Initially, you can follow the 3-meter rule. Ibig sabihin, yung mga kasambahay mo, malapit sa bahay. So, kung may ginagamit ka, kung talaga nagtitipid, may walang budget, well, pisilan mo ng toothpaste natin para ma-feel naman nila kung gaano kaganda yung ating toothpaste. Literal, na walang panis na laway sa umaga. Okay? Also, know na ang Atomay para sa lahat. Kasi nga, pang araw-araw na ginagamit ang mabibili sa online shopping mall na Atomy. And also, you can go global. Hindi lang para sa Pilipinas. But if you have friends sa abroad or nakatira sa ibang bansa, pwede mo ring i-share sa kanila. Okay, sino-sino pwede maging consumer group? Laging sasabihin, wala akong kaibigan eh. Hindi ako magbibenta. Hindi ako marunong mag-share eh. Oh, yan. So, ito yung acronym na pwede nyo i-follow. Explore your friends list, your family, your mobile phone. I bet meron kayong i-check nyo nga sa phone kung ilan ang nakalista nyo na contact list. Kailan nyo ba sila huling message? Or kailan nyo ba sila huling natawagan or nakausap? Or if you are writing names and contact phone numbers sa phone book, sa address book, yan. Pwede nyo rin yung gamitin. Another thing is yung mga records. If you're collecting business cards, club member records, sa school, yung mga kabatch mo, yan. Pwede mong i-share sa kanila si Atomy. Hindi ka mahihiyang i-share si Atomy kasi we offer absolute quality and absolute price. Ibig sabihin, napakataas ng kalidad ng produkto pero pangmasa ang presyo. You can offer Atomy or share Atomy to the same industry, yung I, industry. So, kung accountant ka, when you go to your workplace, yon sa lahat ng accountant, sa lahat ng nurses, sa lahat ng abogado, or kung anumang industry mo. Sa sundalo, sa mga nagna-night shift, sa call center, ayan. Or kahit sa mga mommies na nagchichismisan sa kanto, or yung mga purple ladies na laging nagsisimba tuwing Wednesday, ayan. Pwede niyong i-share sa kanila si Atomy. E stands for Electronic Friends. So, yung sa Facebook, sa Instagram, mga followers mo sa Twitter, sa Messenger, ayan. So, we can use our social media to influence other, not to force them to buy, but just share why you love the Atomy products. You'll be surprised. May magme-message sa'yo, uy, nakita ko yung face mask mo na na nakalagay sa'yo na white. Ano yun? Pwedeng patry. O, diba? Networking with a purpose. Okay, paano yan? Let's say may mga event, lalo na ngayon, malapit na ang Christmas, maraming mga pa-event, maraming mga, ano ba to, yung mga donation or mga foundations, mga ganyan. So, network with a purpose. So, let's say may isang foundation humihingi ng support or ng tulong. So, instead of you giving them cash, you can actually share our daily essentials. Let's say, sa homeless, di ba? Ano ba pwedeng ibigay? Pwedeng yung mga toothbrush and toothpaste, magagamit nila yan. Di ba? Or sa mga may sakit sa hospital, kapag dumalaw, you can share about the Color Food Vitamin C or our flagship product, our Himuhim, things like that. Okay? Another consumer group na potential is yung mga direct contact na hindi mo direkta kakilala pero lagi mong nakikita or nakakasalamuha. Let's say, lagi ka nagbabas and sa bus station, lagi kayong sabay pumipila kasi pareho yung rota nyo. Or nakakasabay mo sa MRT, or let's say nagpagupit ka at laging siya yung nandun sa nakasmile, siya yung nagbo-book or nagtatanggap ng bayad sa salon, o, di ba? Pwede mong ilista the lady in the salon, okay? The man shining shoes, okay? Yung young guy na nasa bus station. So the next time na makita mo siya, at least meron kang intention or purpose na i-share si Atomy. And then kung talagang wala nang maisip, mag-isip ng kapareho ng pangalan mo or katunog ng pangalan mo. Let's say, Ralyn. Okay. Pwedeng Arlene, Ralyn, Lorilyn, Maylin, o lahat ng Maylin, Laylin, Geraldine, Erlyn, o diba? So, yun. O kaya, sino ba mga Ralyn or Ralyn or Raylin, Ralen na pwede kong pag-share ng Atomy. Okay? So, ganun lang. Kung talagang wala, ay nako, hindi ko alam. Siguro talagang mag-isa ka lang sa buhay mo. But imposible yan. Kasi sabi ni Chairman Hangel Park, bawat isa sa atin, we know somebody. We can have a list of friends up to 250 people. Okay? Tingnan ng Facebook. Ilang kaibigan mo sa Facebook? Ilan ang classmate mo nung elementary? Ilan ang classmate mo nung high school? So, kung let's say 40 plus 40, 80 na yon. Hindi naman sinabing friends, pero kakilala. Ilan ang kamag-anak mo, kapamilya. So, it's impossible for us not to know somebody. So, how fast can you inform 250 people? Kung makapaglista ka ng 100 or makapaglista ka ng 250, the fastest time na ma-inform mo sila or ma-sharean mo ng Atomy, the faster you can reach your success. So, the speed at which you inform the people will determine your success. So, kung ako, it would take me 1 year para dun sa 250 people. Pero merong isang bagong miyembro masigasig na, let me share 10 people per day. So, kung 10 people per day, 25 days, tapos na, diba? Paano kung ginawa niya ng 100 person per day? So, 2.5 days pa lang tapos na siya dun sa 250 people. So, listing up, creating the list, and then sharing. Okay? Pero mahalaga, matry mo yung produkto. Kailangan may nagustuhan kang produkto. The Atomy will start with you. Okay? And make sure you follow the direction of your sponsor direction. So, sinong sponsor ang tatanungin? Please, eto kasi talaga, eto yung biggest mistake ko in Atomy. So, tanungin ang sponsor na naka-plug in sa system. So, you can ask me kasi ituturo ko sa inyo kung anong tama. Okay? Minsan, nagtatalo kami dito ng ibang leaders kasi I would say you have to put that person here pero hindi nakikinig. Sige, bahala ka. You will regret that in the future. Pero, I'm telling you, so, listen when I'm telling you that you have to group them together. Okay? Family line is family line. And then, yung mga hindi kakilala ng family line mo, saka mo ilalagay sa kabila. So, if you are just a consumer, at gusto mo lang talaga, dalawa lang, isa, dalawa, you're done. Okay? Your sponsor actually knows the path. So, start from me, pataas sa mga may auto sales mastership na, we are following the system, yung naka-plug in sa system. So, yung mga sponsor na nag-a-attend ng one-day seminar, Success Academy, and then Zoom meeting, make sure you listen to their guidance, okay? Magtanong sa kaninyang sponsor para mas mabigyan kayo ng mas magandang direksyon, okay? Hindi dun sa sister line or sa ibang linya nagtatanong. Magtanong sa sponsor above you, okay? Kung ayaw mo yung direktang sponsor mo, you can skip. Let's say ayaw mo sa akin, you can skip me, you can go to DMSES. Kung ayaw mo si DMSES, you can go to SRMG. Kung ayaw mo si SRMG, you can go to Star Master Teresa. Kung ayaw nyo pa rin siya, then you can go to Royal Master Yusuk Song. Kung ayaw nyo, then go straight to Crown Master Jason Shem. Kung ayaw nyo naman, then go straight to the four Imperial Masters na nasa taas natin. Kung makontak nyo sila. Okay? And we have the unlimited level. So, yung unlimited level, anong mga strategies para ma-build natin yung ating binary system? Like what I've said earlier, go straight and deep. So, instead of sponsoring so many people randomly, i-focus na patibayin muna yung pundasyon ng iyong binary system. Go straight lang muna. Build one strong line at a time. Pag hindi ka kilala nung nandito sa left, then punta sa right. Okay? Deep and stable. And then this will bring duplication. And then ituro din doon sa bagong member kung papaano. Okay. Ngayon, ang dali-dali nang mag-share ng link. Okay? Kailangang aralin ang quick link. Okay? Tuturo ko yan next time. Quick link. So, kung ikaw ito, make sure you always review the lineage. Baka kasi si sponsor mo, sobrang sipag, and they'll keep on adding new members kasi masipag siyang mag-share ng link. So, hindi ibig sabihin na your ID would be the sponsor ID. So, make sure you review your lineage first. At kapag ka sobrang dami na, make sure yung dulo, i-double click mo pa to make sure na yun yung dulo. At dun mo talaga siya i-duduktong. Kasi medyo nakakalito na to kapag matagal na. So, the first time you're doing or registering somebody, make sure you ask your sponsor. At kung talagang nalilito pa rin, make sure you sit down together and register together. Okay. If you are ready to strengthen your business, ayan, kailangan parehong consumer group, left and right, kailangan mong alagaan. Don't play favorites, okay? Kasi sa Atomy, kailangan laging balanse. Balance is the key to binary. Although lahat tayo, kasi yung mga leaders, may struggles din lang. Laging weak yung isang side, okay? One side would be strong, ayan, bumubulusok na. Kapag bumulusok na, matibay ng foundation, then you can work on your weak side, yung right side, okay? If your left side is growing fast, then support whoever is that leader there. Train well, duplicate well. Kapag ka stable na at marunong na talagang mag-commission at magpa-commission, then you can move to the right side. Okay? Remember, your income comes when the both sides are active. Okay? Hindi pwedeng isang side lang yung active. Kung wala talagang leader na active, then put your consumers, okay? Put consumers in that group, and then eventually you will find a diamond or your pearl, okay? Be patient, not greedy sa atomy. Ayan, okay. Isa yan sa mga hard learned lesson ko. Kasi nung una, alam ko kung paano mag-commission, okay? Alam ko kung paano mag-commission kasi umaakit yung points, pataas ng pataas ng pataas. Ang maganda kasi kay Atomy, kapag yun nasa bottom ang bumili ng produkto, yung points niya mag-accumulate sa kanya as a personal point. But then, kahit 1,000,000 pataas na kaduksong niya, yung nakaregister na distributor, lahat yun. Basta meron silang minimum na 10,000 points sa kanilang account and registered sila as a distributor, they will earn that points as well. O, di ba? Napaka-generous talaga ni Ate May. So, nung nalaman ko yun, sabi ko, oh my God. So, gagawan ko lang sila ng binary nila para magko-commission sila, magko-commission ako. But then, it would slow you down. Kasi hiwa-hiwalay sila. So, dapat talagang magkakasama yung magkakagrupo, magkakakilala, magkaka-community, magkaka-church. Okay? In the beginning, I would say don't chase commission, but when you understand how to make commission, it will become easier. So, make sure you build the relationship nung yung nililinya mo, kailangan magkakakilala. Hindi yung, kasi gusto mong mag-commission, lilima pa yung nalagay mo dyan, inilagay mo na yung dun sa kanan yung isa kasi gusto mo lang magkaroon ng right side para magka-commission. Although, some consumers will do it that way, kaya lang it's unfair. So, if they're not interested, don't force them. Just support everything pa rin sa first line or sa isang side. Eventually, it would be easier to encourage them to do it as a business. Kasi, super powerful na yung isang common success line. Okay? Integrity and humility attract the right people. So, our chairman Park always says, don't be a merchant of greed, be a messenger of blessing. So in Atomy, we are not selling, but we are sharing the blessings. Okay. So kung hindi nyo pa nakikita ang inyong binary or ang inyong lineage, usually, ito yung sa akin, yung first part, yung first 100. Hindi ko alam kung hanggang ilang level na ako. Siguro up to mga 1,000 level. I'm not sure. Hindi ko alam kasi nga sobrang dami na nila. But the system will show you the first 100 levels. Imagine, oh, nagkalat-kalat na sila. So, yung mga gray, that means they are terminated. Bakit na-terminate? Kasi hindi ginamit si account. Hindi nagpalit ng brand ni Atomy or hindi bumili ng kahit iisang produkto sa Atomy. So, may iba-ibang kulay kay Atomy. Okay? So, sa binary, if they registered as a consumer, lalabas sila na purple lang. So, ibig sabihin, they can accumulate personal points, pero yung mga points na galing sa ilalim, hindi magsisettle sa kanilang group PV or sa kanilang consumer group PV. Okay? Kapag nag-register as a distributor, that means nag-submit ng TIN ID, naglagay ng bank details, and then nag-verify, you will come out as green. Okay? And the important thing is kailangan yung account mo magkaroon at least minimum 10,000 point value. Okay? Para wala talagang points na lumampas. And then once you become an agent or special agent na may 300,000 points or 700,000 points pataas, yan, magiging kulay blue ka na. Okay? So, pag 300,000 points ka na, let me know, okay? Magpaturo kay DM Raylan kung paano i-maximize ang commission. Okay? Kasi, even with 300,000 points, you can challenge as a sales master. Meron tayong strategy dyan. And ano ibig sabihin kapag orange? Yung orange, ibig sabihin, at the end of this month, you will be terminated. Kasi 12 months ago, 12 months na hindi ka bumibili ng kahit isang produkto kay Atomy. Okay. So, mahirap bang magpalit ng produkto ni Atomy? Hindi naman. So, kung talagang walang-wala, just stay in the system. Stay alive. Okay? Baka kasi after 2 years, baka 1 million na yung member mo. Or after 3 years, ayan, may 3,000 ka ng tao, wala ka pang ginagawa. Gagawin mo ba o hindi? Siyempre, gagawin mo na. Kaya, kahit nung unang panahon, okay, kahit 4 or 5 years ago, my immediate family didn't like it. I still forced them. I still registered them. Although, mali ang pagkaka-register ko kasi hindi ko alam yung binary, hindi ko alam yung go straight and deep. Still, it took me 3 years to fix everything. Basta nandyan lang sila. Eventually, as I help those na nandun sa ilalim na ilalim, ewan ko lang kung hindi sila gumalaw. Bahala sila. Pero, imposible na hindi kasi we have a very powerful binary system. So what you do consistently will actually echo up to the third generation kasi kung ano yung tinuro mo sa kanila kung paano ma-duplicate, paano gawing tama, yan. You can inherit it up to the third generation. So, mas maganda yung lahat ng natutunan mo, tama na from the very beginning. Para ituturo mo sa leader mo and sa members mo, tama. Okay, so, paano nagkakamali? Kasi hindi man lang nag-effort na mag-attend ng system. Hindi man lang nag-effort na mag-consult with a sponsor. Nahihiya, mataas ang pride, hindi marunong magtanong. Okay, so dapat nagtatanong. Okay? Okay lang na sa simula parang tanga. Kasi nung simula din, tanga din ako dito sa Atomy. Hindi ko alam. Feeling ko, alam mo yun, yung, ano yun, acne. Alam ko na yan. Hindi, ini-ignore ko rin. Sabi ko, nasa YouTube lang yan. Madali lang yan. Ayan. O, tangang-tanga, di ba? Kaya ang daming mali. So, dapat nagtatanong. And then, make sure we train our partners the same way you are trained kapag natutunan mo na. That's why I'm committed to help everyone kahit hindi ko nga kalinya. Basta part kayo ng Marinduque Global Center at ng Atomy Global System. Ayan. Of course, each Atomian uh, will help everyone. Okay? So I hope if you're listening to this video, you will learn something from me. I'm devoted. Ang mission ko is para sa lahat ng mga overseas Filipino workers to see the value of Atomy na sana ma-reunite kayo ng mas mabilis sa inyong pamilya. Okay? Eto na ang inyong opportunity para mapantayan kung magkano man ang kinikita nyo sa abroad at alam ko, mas malaki ang kikitain mo kay Atomy. Because Atomy is not just about money. It's actually truly about sharing the blessings that you'll find from Atomy. Okay? Ito yung logo ng Atomy. Paano mag-share kay Atomy? Okay? You can share simply, have you heard of Atomy? Do you love K-beauty products? Nanonood ka ba ng Netflix? Nakapanood mo ba si Gong Yoo or si Son Joong-ki? Yan. O, instead na manood ng Korean Netflix, manood ng Atomy. Okay? So, you can invite those you have listed earlier, invite them to try and use the product. So, sa mga bagong simula, for newcomers, let's learn the business the right way. Be active and be engaged. First, you have to use the products. You can listen to the testimonies, you can watch the video online, and then if you love one product, keep sharing. Okay? We have unlimited information online. We have Channel Atomy, we have YouTube. YouTube ko is Rally Atomy 101. And then, of course, all the Atomy official YouTube channel like Philippines, America, Oceania, Canada, you name it. Unlimited information online. We have globalatomy.com as official website. Atomy.com/ph for the website ng Pilipinas. Okay? Hanapin lang. And then we have Facebook. We have Instagram. Just follow. So you will learn about the company. Ang dami-daming bago sa company, nakaka-excite, okay? Have you heard we even have the new hotel sa Korea? Atomy Hotel sa Songnisan Park. So I encourage you to learn the system and be promoted to be Diamond Master so we can travel in the future sa Korea para ma-achieve nyo rin yung Korea Success Tour. Imagine, free yung accommodation and yung travel. At saka lahat ng food, lahat pati ng pagpasyal nyo, libre from the Atomy Company. Okay, I get to experience that in 2023. Yeah, tama, 2023. So hopefully next year we get to travel again. And next thing is support your leaders or your newcomers or your partners to join the success system. So guide your partners and new members weekly or monthly kung gusto, okay? You as a team, you have to set the small goals. You will eventually become a leader. So to become a good leader, you will have to learn how to do the 8 core habits at saka yung 8 steps to success. So ituro din sa iba. May mga lectures tayo niyan, may replay tayo niyan, maghanap sa YouTube, 8 core habits of Atomy. Mapapanood nyo yung lahat ng nagbibigay ng lecture about 8 core. I myself have taught that in the past, and then our newest Imperial Master actually have a very powerful, very inspiring, talagang kung paano ginagawa si Atomy na 8 core, si Imperial Master Mi Young Park. Okay? Crown Master pa lang siya noon, pero hanapin niyo yung 8 core niyan. Sana matutunan niyo. Okay? That's one thing. So, for the seasoned members or yung antagal-tagal na dito sa Atomy, okay, or dun sa ibang mga leaders din, mentor with patience, okay? Help others reach their first commission, help others reach to become an agent, to become a special agent, and then help them to reach sales master and beyond. Tulong tayo, okay? So, we can start with a small goal kung gusto nyo, magkano bang extra income natin na gusto this week? Gusto niyo ba lahat tayo kumita ng 2,200 this week? Okay. How many times should we get 2,200 this week? Twice ba in a week? Let's do it together. Okay? So, you can also start building your international lines, your global lines. Kasi si Atomy, we have 27 global branches, including South Korea. So, ang headquarter natin nasa South Korea, we started in 2009, and up to this point, meron na tayong 27 global branches. But take note, Europe has 32 countries. O, diba? 32. So, ilan yun? Total of 56 countries na ang pwedeng mag-commission and mag-cashback kay Atomy. Okay. So, ready na ba kayo mag-take ng action? If you are committed to take that journey, comment, ano ba? Action. Okay. Comment lang, action. At least para naman malaman ko kung sino yung nanonood ng live. Okay? So, it's easy to become a member. You need a sponsor, okay? Or you need that quick link auto sponsor from whoever. So make sure it is the right quick link that you are giving to a new member. Easy requirements sa mga gusto maging business si Atomy, you must have a TIN card. Pero kung wala, huwag mag-alala kasi madali lang mag-convert into business. Okay? Anong dapat gawin? Mag-change mark, switch brand, change to Atomy. Kasi sa Atomy, posible ang commission. So, yung mga household expenses mo at this time, when you start using the product, you earn points. Once you start sharing this Atomy and activate consumers under your lineage and yung binary consumer group, then you will convert your expenses into income. Kasi yung group point value, yun yung magdi-determine ng income. So, from an Atomy consumer to a business member, madali lang. Kasi initially, you will start buying the products that you will need. Okay? Take note. It is not something that you will do differently. It is something that you've been doing in the last 40 or last 30 years. The only thing is you are switching your brand to Atomy. Okay? Kapag nagustuhan mo, then you share it to someone. And you continue to repeat that and continue to share Atomy. Change to user. Continue buying and recommending Atomy products to others. Be a loyal consumer. Much better, be a crazy consumer. Ano ibig sabihin ng crazy consumer? Crazy auto consumer. Ibig sabihin, this is your company, so you only have to patronize and support your own business. Okay? Kasi meron kang sariling tindahan, you should be the model, be the product of the product, you should be using it para nakikita naman ng mga friends mo na, uy, maganda na nga yung skin niya, uy, nag-glow siya, uy, ano bang anong lip tint ang ginamit mo? Oh, Atomy yan. Uy, ano yung cream na ginagamit mo? Ano yung lotion na ginagamit mo? Atomy pa rin yan. Okay? So, lahat dapat ng ginagamit mo is Atomy para mas madaling mag-share. Ano yung ginagamit mo sa buhok? Atomy pa rin. And that will eventually lead you to receive the general commission. We will not go through the details of the commission for today, but briefly, uh, we can tackle pero hindi yung detail kasi we have very limited time. Okay, so you have the opportunity to receive general commission once you started building your binary lineage. Kaya kailangan alam mo kung paano magawa ng tamang binary lineage. Okay, imagine consumer ka lang this time pero love mo yung products and then you, of course, kung love mo yung products, you wanted your family and your entire loved ones, okay, entire loved ones, ano ba yung sabi ko? Your entire family, friends, co-workers, na gamitin din. Kasi talagang very valuable si Atomy. And then, once you become an auto-consumer, at auto-consumer din sila, of course, ayan na. Yun na yung tinatawag na business member ka, and then you get commission. So, join Atomy family for win-win partnership. Okay? So, kung ayaw mo pa rin gawing business, it's okay. Then just support somebody kasi lagi mong iisipin, alam ko pag bumili ako, someone will benefit from this. So, I know I'm helping someone above me and beyond, all the way to the Imperial Master. So, might as well help. O, di ba? Parang yun na yung ano mo, filial piety or donation mo to the universe or to whoever. Pero it's a win-win situation kasi libre, walang nasayang sa'yo. You're just converting your expenses into an income. So, challenge for this week, mag-login sa ating website, ph.atomy.com. Yan ang ating website. Or you can also download the Atomy Shop app. Okay? Magtingin ng mga produkto na magbibigay sa'yo ng combination na 10,000 point value. Okay? Make sure you comment kung ano yung mga products na may total na 10,000 point value. Okay? I'm asking for help kasi in the past, we're giving 12 gifts of Christmas. And this time, sa challenge natin this coming November and December, we'll make sure that we're able to give back 10,000 personal point value dun sa mga mananalo. So, ano mga combination ng products ang may 10,000 point value? Bakit 10,000? Para at least kung nag-register ka as a distributor, valid na kaagad yung account mo or verified na kaagad yung account mo. Verified is not the right term, but eligible na kaagad yung account mo as a distributor to receive the group point value para walang lumampas na points. Okay? That's how amazing our Atomy is. Okay? So, based on this picture, let's say, pag bumili ako ng dalawang hand balm cream o hand balm pure and butter, so 2.5 Phoebe plus 2.5, 5,000 point value na yon. Eh kung nagdagdag ako ng 3 seconds water lampas, di ba? 5.5. Sige, valid na. Pero kung bumili ako ng 5 pack ng ramen plus itong dalawa, that's 10,000 point value. So the challenge is exact combination of product na exactly 10,000 points. Marami tayo dyan. Okay? So, point value, yan yung magdidetermine ng ating commission. Okay, so yung personal point value mo determines your qualification for the certain commission. And then the group point value will determine your income. Okay. So, yan. Hanggang dyan lang muna yung sa ating binary. And before we end, let's watch this video of our chairman, Hangil Park. Okay? You can find this in YouTube from the official channel of Atomy America Official or Atomy USA. Yan yung logo nila. Let me see. Okay? So, let's watch this.
If you think you can only succeed when someone helps you, then success will remain out of reach. Who succeeds then? The core of the Go 100 campaign is to help your partners succeed by working through their list of contacts. In direct sales, people often say the moment you run out of names is the moment you go out of business. When you've gone through the list of everyone you know, let's say 250 people, and only 10 or 20 show interest, while the rest show no response, that's when the discouragement sets in. You lose strength. You might think, now what? Who do I approach next? Some said yes, but most didn't. What do I do? This is where many people feel stuck. The solution is not to use your list to make your partner succeed. You need to use their own list to help them succeed. Work with your sponsor to create a list and use that partner's list to build their success. Tell your partners this: just give me your list and I'll make you succeed. Don't say make your own list, contact everyone yourself and figure it out. Don't leave them to handle it alone. Instead, say give me the list and I'll make it happen for you. Keep repeating this because it's the key to success. When you do this, your network can grow endlessly. You might worry. I promised 100 people that I'd make them succeed if they just gave me a list of names. But can I actually help all 100 succeed? Won't I seem like a liar? Don't worry about that. Just focus on giving your all day and night for your partners. When you dedicate yourself like this, they will naturally take ownership of their success, thinking, I need to figure this out and succeed myself. That kind of mindset shift happens when they see your commitment. That's exactly what I've been doing. I told my business partners, write down your list and I'll handle everything. I did everything in the beginning. Whether it was one person, 5 people, or 10, I went to meet them and explained everything myself. That's how I built success step by step. But what happens when your list runs out and your partner's list runs out? Then you need to go out and do cold contacts. Meet 100 people a day. The purpose of meeting 100 people isn't to convince all of them. It's to expand your contact list. Find people who show genuine interest and have potential. Add those names to your list. Meet them again and invite them. This is the essence of Go 100. If you put in the effort, working tirelessly without even thinking about sleep, you'll achieve success before you die, long before you feel worn out. Let's all chant this together. Use your partner's list to make your partners succeed. Success doesn't come from others helping you. The same applies to business. If you think my sponsor will handle everything for me, you'll struggle to move forward. You'll end up poor. You can't succeed with that mindset. Success isn't possible for those who believe they can only progress with someone's help. So who succeeds? I'm going to make others succeed. The person who thinks this way succeeds. Make your partner succeed on your own. Say this to your sponsor: you'll succeed because of me. I'll make you an Imperial Master. Don't tell your sponsor, please support me, help me succeed. Instead, say, I'll make you an Imperial Master. If you can shout that to your partner, you can become an Imperial Master. Those who think others should work hard so I can succeed won't achieve their goals. I've helped the companies that supply Atomy by offering better terms than others, such as quick cash payments and consistent sales opportunities. As a result, they've become far more prosperous than before they worked with me. When I helped the people around me thrive, I ended up thriving too. What about you? What will you do if you're saying to your sponsor, "Help me, give me a list of names, boost my sales"? Stop saying it and say this instead. "I'll make you an Imperial Master. I will make you an Imperial Master. I will make you Imperial. Make Imperial."
And I will make you an Imperial. I will make you an Imperial. Okay. Make Imperial. Okay. Did you hear that, sponsor? I will make you an Imperial. Okay. Paano nga ba maging Imperial Master? Okay. We have 7 levels of mastership. So, ako po, Diamond Master, nasa pangalawa na ako. Okay? So, yung Imperial Master natin na na-promote last Friday, it took her 15 years. Imagine, 15 years, Imperial Master na siya. Okay? Paano maging Imperial Master? Of course, you have to promote 2 Crown Masters sa left and then 2 Crown Masters sa right side. And as a gift, one-time promotional gift, of course, makaka-receive ka ng 40 million pesos. Okay. Yun yung ano ba yun? 1 billion Korean won ba? Or 1 million Korean won? Hindi alam ang palitan. Pero sa Pilipinas, ito yung roughly is estimate 40 million, okay? You will get 4 vouchers for 10 days and 11 for 10 nights and 11 days. And then of course, bibigyan ka ng isang magarang sasakyan, bibigyan ka ng driver, at may magpapasweldo, and then bibigyan ka ng office with secretary. Actually, Imperial Building yung ibibigay sa'yo. That's the price na ibinibigay sa isang Imperial Master. And last Friday, let's congratulate our newest Imperial Master, no other than Imperial Master Mi Young Park, okay? Our chairman Hangul Park, nagbigay siya nung tropeo ng Imperial Master. Plus, i-deliver yung 1 billion Korean won. O, diba? Nakakatuwa. So, we have different business partners na galing sa Atomy Philippines, Atomy America, ibang countries na nag-travel sa Korea Success Tour. They were there since Monday and then nag-tour sila sa Korea and then they witnessed the awarding of this Imperial Master. So, na-meet ko siya last time and napaka-ganda ng lecture niya about 8 steps to success at saka yung 8 course. So, if you guys have a chance to watch that in YouTube, I do encourage you to watch her and learn from the Imperial Masters. So, kung ngayon ka pa lang nagjo-join sa Atomy, imagine, it took her 15 years to become Imperial Master. So let's say instead na Korean money, she received pesos, okay? In the last 15 years, based from all the promotion money na na-receive niya, naka-receive na siya ng 54 million pesos sa pa lang yon sa promotion. Tuwing mapopromote, okay? Yung mga one-time achievement. But take note, in Atomy, we can achieve daily commission of 800 pesos up to 60,000 pesos roughly on a daily basis. Okay? Except Sunday. And then when you become an auto sales master like me, ayan, ibig sabihin, at a minimum, you are reaching sales master once a month, 12 times in a year. So, ibig sabihin, in a 15-day period, kumikita ka ng 40 to 50,000. So, kung twice mo na-achieve, then kumita ka ng 80 to 100,000 pesos. Okay? Yun yung Auto Sales Master Club. Kaya kapag ka Auto Sales Master ka na, tapos nandiyan ka sa Pilipinas, you're part of the Millionaires Club ng Atomy Philippines. Kasi yung income ng auto sales master is roughly umaabot ng $20,000 a month, a year, sorry, a year. Okay. Leaders Club, 4 million pesos and more. So dito po sa US, they are earning more than $100,000 per year. Okay, Royal Leaders Club, 8 million pesos annually. And then Crown Leaders Club, 16 million or more. Okay, yung mga Imperial Master, kumikita na sila ng ano ba? More than $100,000 per month, okay, on a monthly basis. Okay? So, yan yung iba-ibang success club na meron tayo sa Atomy. And of course, per level, makaka-receive kayo ng pin directly galing sa Korea. So, I have the first level nung ma-achieve ko yung Auto Sales Mastership in 2022. I think it's May 2022. Okay, nilagay ko talaga yun sa calendar. I failed sometimes, pero na-achieve ko eventually. And then, I've been auto sales master since 2022. So, 23, 24, 25, it's passive income. Okay? So, how can you become successful in Atomy? Mag-plug in sa system. Parang rice cooker, okay? Kapag nakasaksak, maluluto. Pero kung pag hindi nakasaksak, hilaw ang kanin. Okay? In the Philippines, we have one-day seminar almost every Thursday sa Manila Pickup Center sa QC. We have online one-day seminar and Success Academy. You can watch via Facebook, via YouTube. We have Success Academy once a month sa Pilipinas. And then, ang one-day seminar every Thursday, and then yung ibang region meron din. Okay? Other countries, meron din sila. So, if you will follow their official website, official YouTube and official Facebook, you will see kung kailan nila ginagawa sa ibang countries. So, just plug into the system para lahat tayo maging successful. Our chairman said, if you follow the law, you will succeed. The law of success is already set. Okay. So, success in Atomy doesn't come from luck. It comes from love. And it's important for us to love the products, love the tools of success, which is the website and the products that we have. Love your people, love your team, love your sponsors, love our chairman Hangil Park, and love your system. Love the success system and love your binary system. Be patient when others rush. Ibig sabihin, maging patient ka lang. Kung yung iba ay nagmamadali, hayaan mo lang sila. But be patient when others rush. Be righteous when others take shortcuts. Okay? Because the deeper your roots, the higher your legacy. So just be patient. Do your Atomy the right way. And all of us will be successful. So set your extraordinary goal to become Imperial Master because we can all be an Imperial Master. Okay. So again, ako po si Diamond Master Ralim Pilapil Minorca, reminding you that success is not for the few, but for the consistent righteous. Okay. And I do believe na ang hindi lang nagiging successful sa Atomy ay yung hindi man lang nagsimula at yung tumigil sa gitna. So let's continue and become an Imperial Master. Aja! 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 Okay, let's do our company motto. Company motto, are you ready? Yes! Go! Cherish the spirit, create the vision, follow the faith, serve in humility. Aja! 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 Thank you, everyone! I love you all. Bye!